figure I'm gonna go live to tell people really that they need to be careful. I'm in the hospital. I've been in the hospital 2 days. I got maybe 3 more to go. A couple days ago, I felt like I couldn't breathe, and I laid on the floor for a couple days. Finally, my husband brought me to the hospital, and the doctor told me that I have pneumonia in my lungs, and my liver isn't functioning. So they came in and they told me they had to admit me because I 99% I have the coronavirus. But the reason why I'm going live is because I know God is a healer and He's a deliverer. And even when you go through things, He makes a way out of no way. And I was sitting in the room with my husband, and I didn't get fearful, but I about couldn't breathe. And then the doctor looked at me and he said, "Mrs. Bellamy, did you know you're pregnant?" And I looked at my husband. We looked at each other, and I couldn't believe it, that we have been trying to have another child for years. And through all of this, in the hospital sick, here it is. We're getting ready to have another baby. And I thank God for it, because even in storms and trials and tribulations, He always makes a way. There's always some blessing if you hold on to Him. And I just believe that I know I'm going to get through this. I just trust Him. And I know that He blessed us, and He blessed us for a reason. And just keep God first, and He'll always make a way. He'll always see you through. So although it hurts to breathe and talk, I still have joy in my heart, because He answered a prayer that the doctor said that that it wouldn't happen, that we wouldn't be able to have any children anymore, but He's so faithful. So keep me in your prayers as I fight this. I'm not feeling too much better, but I know this is going to be a testimony. And just be safe. If you could stay home, try to stay home, and just be real careful. Make sure you wash your hands and check on your loved ones. Make sure they have everything. Stay out the stores, because you never know who you walking past. So I give God all the praise. I give Him the glory. I give Him the honor. And we're going to bounce back through this, and He going to get the praise as we prepare for our bundle of joy to come. And I love everybody, and make sure you keep me and my family in your prayers. And God bless.